To begin, insert the car adapter into the vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. Press the clamp button on the side and position the clamp over the air vent plate. Connect the supplied USB-C cable, the USB-C end to the Omnia and the other end to the car adapter. Now, the Omnia is now ready to charge. With a strong magnetic force, the Omnia will securely hold the Latitude encased iPhone and automatically align it for a proper charge. The Omnia gives you the option to view in both portrait and landscape mode. Wireless car charging is now part of your life. No more fiddling, stay in control, stay in power.
At-home car wash that's as good as any professional cleaning. All you need is a Foam Master cleaning sprayer, the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way? That's a better day.
Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like, Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor actively monitors your car's engine and internal systems. Simply plug it in under your dashboard and sync to the free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app. Hit scan, and the Zeus Safety Center will scan your vehicle for any issues so that you won't find yourself stuck on the side of the road. As you drive, the Zeus app continues to gather data and monitor your vehicle. If your check engine light comes on, the Zeus app can help you understand what's wrong in simple terms and how to fix it. clear the light yourself for minor issues. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Zeus has your back.